Good morning, everyone. The name of the game is Flamingo. So let's play Flamingo. The countdown begins where the kids have to count 1 to 10 numbers.
Okay. So the age group and the objectives which skills is developed in this game while we play. So age group is 12 to 15 years, basically grade 5 and 6. Objective is to ensure and enhance learning in fun way, to connect maths with theater as well as music, and skills development, arithmetic, problem solving, and cognitive. Perquisites. As this game is played online, so no hard material required, all soft copies are needed, which we have included in the PPT. Material used, we have used PPT itself.
The game will be played online where the teacher will ask child to tell numbers and teacher will stop them. The number where she has stopped, the teacher will show the question to that student and they have to identify the song as well as
As well
solve
as
the math word problem related to that song, which will work as a hint to them and timer will be set. That time the student was who answered correctly in the chat box is selected for round 2. Criteria will be fastest five will be selected. Then round 2, again same way, they have to tell numbers. Teacher will stop them. The number where she has stopped will show the question and the student will enact the in the round 2 along with the solved problem. And correctly identify song is selected for round 3. Here the criteria is fastest 3 will be selected. Then for round 3, same way, only the time limit will be less and the criteria will be fastest 2, where the selected will be awarded as a super champion and champion. So let's play the game. And this game is purely thought by us, not copied at all. So let's play the game. So Shamin, start counting.
yes. 1, 2, 3, 4,
Stop.
5.
Yes. So in the chat box, you need to, your time starts now.
Yes. As a student, I will answer to the question. I will identify the song first, and then I am going to solve the math problem given below. With the help of math problem, I can even get the hint, like which song it is. So this is a round 1. In round 2, I am going to add that song in the limited time. The time of in that time, I have to add that song. So right now, I have answered Tisha Miss. As a teacher, she is my teacher. I am a student. So I have answered her in the chat box the name of the song as well as the solution for the problem.
So the name of the song is, as Sharmi ma'am has teacher's answer, that is Coca-Cola 2.
So this question, as a child, I'll solve it. I'll take some time, and after that, I'll answer in the chat box to the teacher. And those who are answering fastest 5 will be selected. Answer should be correct. That's it.
So the song is right. The maths problem is wrong.
Yes. So I'll not be able to go for the round 2. Round 2, the student who is answering correctly both the guessing the song as well as answering correctly the math problem, they will be able to go. Thank you.
So whoever answers right, they will move to the next round. And for the next round, again the students will count the numbers, and wherever I stop, That time the student has to answer the question, but they have to enact it and solve the maths problem. And last, the third round will be where only 2 winners will be selected and they will be awarded as the super champion and champion.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.